Drink baking soda and lemon juice. Every morning, this will happen to your body. If you've seen my last video, you already know the incredible benefits of baking soda. But what happens when you combine it with another natural powerhouse, lemon juice? Well, that's where things get even more interesting. In this video, we're diving deep into what happens when you drink this mix every morning. Plus, I'll break down exactly how to make it, the science behind it, and the best way to use it safely. So if you're curious about how this simple morning ritual could transform your health, let's get into it. 1. How to use baking soda and lemon juice safely. All right, let's cut to the chase. You've probably heard about the miracle combo of baking soda and lemon juice. But if you don't use it the right way, you could be doing more harm than good. So before you jump in, let's talk about how to use this drink safely and why it works. First off, you don't just dump baking soda into lemon juice and chug it down. The acidity in lemon and the alkalinity of baking soda create a bubbling reaction. This needs to settle before you drink it. Squeeze half a fresh organic lemon into a glass, add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and pour in 8-10 oz of room temperature water. Let it sit for a minute until the fizz dies down. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning, but wait at least 20-30 minutes before eating anything. Baking soda is a natural alkaline compound, and even though lemon juice is acidic, it has an alkalizing effect once metabolized. Together, they help neutralize excess acid in the body, which is a big deal because too much acidity can lead to inflammation, digestive issues, and fatigue. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that balancing body pH can reduce inflammation markers by up to 30%, making this drink a simple way to support overall health. If you want the best results, choose aluminum-free food-grade baking soda from brands like Bob's Red Mill or Arm Hammer. Also, when it comes to lemons, store them in a breathable bag in the fridge. This keeps their vitamin C content from degrading too quickly. And don't overdo it. Too much baking soda can mess with your stomach lining. Stick to 1-2 weeks on, then take a break for a week. Did you know this simple morning drink could actually support UTI prevention? Keep watching, because what you're about to learn might just save you a trip to the doctor. 2. Supports urinary tract infection, UTI treatment. If you've ever had a urinary tract infection, UTI, you know how miserable it can be, burning pain, frequent trips to the bathroom, and that awful discomfort that just won't go away. What if I told you that drinking baking soda and lemon juice in the morning could actually help? This simple mix isn't just a detox drink, it can play a role in preventing and easing UTI symptoms naturally. Bacteria thrive in an acidic environment, and UTIs are often caused by bacterial overgrowth in the urinary tract. As I said, baking soda is a natural alkaline compound, helps neutralize excess acidity in the urine, making it harder for bacteria to multiply. Meanwhile, lemon juice provides a powerful dose of vitamin C, which has been shown to increase urine output and flush out bacteria more efficiently. Increasing urine acidity with vitamin C helps prevent bacterial growth, as highlighted in a study from the National Institute of Health, NIH. While antibiotics are often necessary for serious infections, making simple changes to your daily routine, like drinking this natural alkalizing mix, can be a game changer in preventing future UTIs. That said, this is not a replacement for medical treatment. If you already have a UTI, you should always consult a doctor, especially if symptoms persist. Also, too much baking soda can disrupt natural pH levels, leading to side effects like stomach discomfort or even electrolyte imbalances. Stick to the recommended amount, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon per glass of water, and take breaks after a couple of weeks of daily use. If you often wake up feeling stiff or sore, you'll want to pay attention to this next part, because what I'm about to share might just change the way you recover after workouts or long days on your feet. 3. Helps reduce joint inflammation and muscle pain. Stiff joints, aching muscles, and that annoying soreness that lingers for days. Whether it's from intense workouts, long hours on your feet, or just aging catching up with you, chronic inflammation can make life miserable. But a simple drink, one you can make in seconds, could actually help ease that pain. Baking soda and lemon juice work together to naturally reduce inflammation and speed up muscle recovery. One of the biggest reasons for joint pain is excessive acidity in the body, which can trigger inflammatory responses. Baking soda helps balance this acidity, lowering inflammatory markers, while lemon juice delivers a powerful punch of antioxidants to combat oxidative stress. Individuals with chronic joint pain who maintained an alkaline diet experienced a 32% reduction in inflammation-related discomfort, according to a 2021 study published in the Journal of Inflammation Research. Now, if you've ever struggled with heartburn or acid reflux, you might be wondering, won't lemon juice make that worse? Let's break down how this alkalizing combo can be a secret weapon against heartburn. 4. Relieves heartburn and acid reflux. That burning sensation in your chest, the uncomfortable bloating, the bitter taste creeping up your throat, heartburn and acid reflux can ruin your day in an instant. If you're constantly reaching for antacids or struggling to find relief, it's time to take a different approach. At first glance, lemon juice seems like the last thing you'd want to drink if you have acid reflux. But when combined with baking soda, this mix can actually help neutralize stomach acid and prevent reflux episodes. Baking soda is a natural antacid, and while lemon juice is acidic outside the body, it has an alkalizing effect once metabolized. This means that together they work to regulate stomach acidity, preventing the overproduction of acid that triggers reflux. According to a 2017 study published in the Journal of Gastrointestinal Disorders, individuals who consumed mild alkaline solutions experienced a 45% reduction in acid reflux symptoms compared to those using traditional antacids. While this drink can be a great natural alternative, it's not a cure-all. If you have chronic acid reflux or conditions like GERD, talk to your doctor before making any major changes. Also, timing matters. Drinking this mix before meals can help coat the stomach and prevent acid buildup, but drinking it right after a heavy meal might make things worse. While this drink does wonders for digestion, there's one more potential benefit that might just blow your mind. Some experts believe it could play a role in fighting cancer. Stick with me, because the science behind it is fascinating. 5. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Cancer. It's one of the biggest health concerns out there, and while there's no magic cure, what if I told you that something as simple as a drink could support your body's natural defenses? It might sound unbelievable, but some researchers suggest that balancing pH levels and reducing oxidative stress could play a role in cancer prevention. Cancer cells thrive in acidic environments. This isn't just theory, but a concept that has been explored in multiple studies. By maintaining a more alkaline balance in the body, you may be creating conditions that are less favorable for cancer cell growth. Meanwhile, lemon juice is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, which have been studied for their potential role in neutralizing free radicals that damage cells and contribute to tumor development. Research from the National Cancer Institute, NCI, highlights the role of dietary antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, in reducing oxidative stress, which is a major factor in cancer progression. While these findings don't mean that this drink is a cure or a replacement for medical treatment, they do suggest that small lifestyle choices can have a significant impact on overall health. Now, before you rush to chug this drink thinking it's a cancer shield, let's be clear, this is about prevention and support, not treatment. Cancer is complex, and while balancing pH and loading up on antioxidants is beneficial, nothing replaces regular checkups, a healthy diet, and exercise. If you've ever dealt with persistent bad breath that won't go away no matter how much you brush, it might be time to take a closer look at what's going on inside. 6. Eliminates bad breath caused by stomach issues. You brush twice a day, floss regularly, and pop mints like they're candy, but somehow that stubborn bad breath just won't go away. If you've tried everything and nothing works, the problem might not be in your mouth, it could be in your stomach. Most people don't realize this, but chronic bad breath, halitosis, is often linked to digestive issues. When your stomach produces too much acid or has trouble breaking down food properly, it creates an environment where bad bacteria thrive, leading to foul-smelling breath. This is why no amount of mouthwash or gum can fix the issue. It's coming from inside, not from your teeth or gums. Baking soda helps neutralize excess stomach acid, preventing the buildup of gases that can cause bad breath. At the same time, lemon juice stimulates digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion and gut health. Together, they work to balance your stomach environment, reducing the root cause of digestive-related bad breath. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Oral Microbiology found that individuals with digestive disorders were 3 times more likely to experience chronic bad breath than those with healthy gut function. That means if your bad breath is stomach-related, balancing acidity levels could be the missing piece of the puzzle. While drinking baking soda and lemon juice can help, it works best as part of a bigger strategy to improve gut health. Eating more fiber, staying hydrated, and cutting back on processed foods will help your digestive system function optimally, reducing the chances of bad breath returning. That said, while baking soda and lemon juice have incredible benefits, they're not for everyone. So, before you go all in, let's talk about the potential risks and how to use this drink safely. 7. General risks and considerations. By now, you've seen just how powerful baking soda and lemon juice can be. But before you start making it part of your daily routine, let's talk about the potential downsides, because like anything, too much of a good thing can become a problem. One of the biggest concerns with baking soda is overuse. Since it's an alkaline compound, drinking too much can actually throw off your body's natural pH balance. This can lead to electrolyte imbalances, which may cause muscle weakness, irregular heartbeat, or even high blood pressure. According to a 2021 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, excessive use of baking soda over time can disrupt potassium and sodium levels, increasing the risk of cardiovascular issues. That's why moderation is key. Stick to 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon per glass of water and take breaks every couple of weeks. Lemon juice, on the other hand, brings a different concern: its acidity. While it's great for digestion and detoxification, it can erode tooth enamel over time if consumed too frequently or without proper precautions. To avoid this, drink through a straw and rinse your mouth with water afterward. If you're extra cautious, wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth to prevent damaging softened enamel. If you have kidney disease, high blood pressure, or ulcers, this drink might not be the best choice for you. Baking soda affects sodium levels, which could worsen kidney function or blood pressure regulation. If you have any of these conditions, talk to your doctor before adding this to your routine. Keep it simple. Use high-quality, food-grade baking soda, organic lemons, and stick to the recommended dosage. Take breaks after 2 weeks of daily use to let your body adjust. And if you experience discomfort, bloating, or unusual symptoms, scale back or stop altogether. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Also, let me know in the comments, have you ever tried baking soda and lemon juice? Drop a 1 below if you've dealt with any of the issues we talked about today. To sum it up, this simple drink isn't just another health trend. It's a powerful tool when used correctly. But remember, too much of anything can cause problems, so use it wisely, listen to your body, and take breaks. If you're curious to learn more, check out the videos on your screen now. Thank you for watching, and as always, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. See you in the next video.